You put a lot of emphasis on data and data-driven decision-making. What to you is the importance of data for a smaller firm?
Someone could be overseeing IT and marketing and training. So I think that data is even more important to have access to it real time. Data is valuable if it has a point of reference and if you use it to drive better business decisions. So, I could tell you I got X% renewal trade out, but we're not going to know if that's good or bad until we refer it to, how did I do before? How does this trade out compare to what my peers are? Smaller management company likely is going to have a great grasp on advertising effectiveness and what works for them in their geographic market. If we have more data and can look at multiple KPIs together, I think we can identify the opportunities that, I'm looking, can we increase revenue? Can we be more operationally efficient? And how do we reduce risk with the data that we have?